This is Kimberly Schwartz at AHR Expo. I'm here with Don Sullivan and Andy Nowak. We're at the Emerson Industrial Automation booth, and they're going to tell us more about their innovative products.
Hi, I'm Don Sullivan, Senior Product Manager with Browning Belt Drives. We're excited today to introduce our new Toolbox Technician. The Toolbox Technician is really a web-based mobile application that you can access from any web-enabled device, and it gives you all the information that's contained in our popular pocket reference guide, some of the same material that you'd see in a catalog. Things like troubleshooting, things like looking for the appropriate grease charge in your bearings. All of that's included in this application, as well as our efficiency calculators and some other popular tools. Let me give you a quick demo of some of those features. As I mentioned, there's some options within V-Belt drives. When you go to our website, toolboxtechnician.com, you'll get this home screen. If you hit the drop-down button, again, you'll see some of these different options available to you. And they range from troubleshooting to properly tensioning your V-belts, and then some additional useful tools that I'll point out in a moment. From a troubleshooting perspective, just to give you a brief demo, you simply go there and you select a symptom. For example, belts may be bottoming in a groove. The application will display the possible causes for that condition. And then it'll also give you a remedy button on which you can click and get that information about how to treat that possible cause. If you hit the back arrow, you'll go back one screen. If you hit the home arrow, you'll go to the home screen. We'll go back one screen just to give you an example. Again, it'll take you back. You can choose another remedy or go back to your home screen. Okay. The other thing I wanted to point out to you, in addition to these features, is this Useful Tool tab. If you click the Useful Tools tab, there's a standard calculator available to you in this application. There are some conversion tools with all of your popular conversions. So if you have a weight conversion that you wish to make, you simply select it, choose the type of conversion you wish to make, use the slider bars, and it'll automatically convert. We'll go back a screen, and again, you have energy conversions, torque conversions, and so forth. If we go back one further screen, you'll see that we also have some efficiency calculators. You can calculate projected energy savings by upgrading from a wrap to a notched belt in our belt efficiency calculator. You can calculate the impacts of energy loss with worn sheaves and replacing those. And finally, a loss of tension and the impacts that are potentially available there. Again, when you go to our home screen, there are a lot of other options, including our bearing information, resources on how to contact us, and other websites that you can link to. Please join us at www.toolboxtechnician.com for this valuable application.
Welcome to our retrofit stand. This stand is here to illustrate the substantial energy and cost savings that commercial customers and building owners can achieve through using our three-step energy efficiency program called Save the Green, as well as using our Edge optimized software to select high-speed, high-torque optimized V-belt drives. In the past, belt drive technology had lent itself to belt drives that were much larger than they are today. For instance, this drive was selected 20 years ago using a 50 horsepower drive, and this was the type of selection that was engineered. As you'll see, there are 3 belts and a 3-groove shift drive that were selected. This is what was required to transmit that torque. Today, with improvements in belt technology, we're able to transmit the same amount of horsepower and torque with a single belt in a single groove drive. One of the reasons for this is higher technology belts. And Browning recently introduced a new high technology, high performance belt that uses high performance EPDM material and also polyester impregnated cotton cords that have higher horsepowering capability that allow us to transmit higher horsepower and higher torque in a smaller package. This drive here, which was selected 20 years ago, is 40% more in cost than the high-performance, more efficient drive that can be selected today. So we invite you to use our Edge selection software and our Save the Green program to save you money and save you efficiency.